What's going on, guys? It is Friday. We're gonna try to make a little quick video here. We are gonna be fixing this issue. Give it a second. There it is. The ADS sensor goes off every time that I turn this car on. It was an ongoing issue. It used to turn on and off every so often, but then it just consistently stayed on now. But if you saw my other videos, I picked up a new, like not a new, but a used working stroke sensor from a dude in Calgary from a part out. And I'm really hoping it's pretty simple. I'm gonna try to do it without taking the wheel off. I'm gonna see if I can just lift the car up, sneak underneath it, just 2 bolts, plug it in, and hopefully it works out like that. But first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take the Evo out. We're just gonna back it up into the driveway just so we have more room to work on this side. And just by the way, it's for that back wheel right there. Both my cars are dirty as hell. All right, we got the car up. Unfortunately, I can see it from behind the wheel, but it's just gonna make life a lot easier if I can just take the wheel off and then we'll do that. So yeah, right, bam. All right, wheels off. You can see there, it's literally just a plug and it looks like just 2 10s and then that should be it. I'm gonna be straight up with you. I don't have a lift, so I can't really show you, but it was just 2 12s and it comes right down, and now it's gonna disconnect this. There's the old one, there's the new one, and then we're just gonna reverse order it. Oh, there's Ivy. In heat, driving me nuts. All right, so just for clarification, let me see if I can get it in here. Okay, so for some reason, for anyone else doing this, you have to put this in first, and then you put this little bracket piece on and put this other 12 mil in, just because I wasn't able to get like the angle of the arm, like for some reason this piece here, just a little dangling piece, it wouldn't go up into position until I put that in first, then I put this bracket in. It was just like the weird angle, it wouldn't go up. Just for anyone else trying this. Okay, before we go put everything back together, where's my keys? Keys. Where did it go? Or I leave them inside? Ivy, enough! Or I left them inside. I did, okay. Moment of truth. Booyah, boy. Seems like we fixed it. Hell yeah. Now, put the wheel back on, clean it up a little bit, and then I get it ready for wash the car. And me and the girlfriend are going out for a date night / one of our friends' birthdays, so. I had some people mad at me in the comments for impacting titanium studs, but they're wear and tear items, so they're gonna get messed up eventually, so might as well be now. All right, it's going for a quick little jaunt around the block just to make sure everything's all good. Make sure the code doesn't come up. So far, so good, nothing. When I get to the straight, I'm gonna put in R mode and just see what happens. Oh, it's a night and day difference. With before, with the bad stroke sensor, it would be super bouncy, but now she's firm, stiff. Oh yeah, this is night and day difference. I'm so glad I finally took the, like, barely even, and I actually took me like 30 minutes to do. That's it. All right, I'm all done. I'm disgustingly dirty. I got soaked at work too, but it all worked out. All of it was needed for a stroke sensor was 2 12s and like a jack and stuff like that, and like ramps if you're lowered. Wheels are torqued, and I'm just gonna clean up a little bit here, and just notice my cat left a massive mess here, so that'll be fun to clean up. My cat's been in heat for the last, she's like 6 or 7 months old now, so she's been going into heat way more than she should be. I gotta get her spayed like next week because she's driving me up the friggin' wall, man. But that's another story. But yeah, that's it for today. It's Friday. Go enjoy the weekend. This video will probably go up sometime in the next week. I do have a video by the time this is dropped. I'll link it here in the corner. It'll be my 8.6 review video, so check it out. And you know the deal: like, comment, subscribe, and drop a comment what you think of the video, what you think of Ivy, what you think of anything. Just drop a comment, like anything. So yeah, see you in the next one.